My video guide will help you to get rid of the browser notifications that are related to the site onevideoonline.me. Onevideoonline.me is a junk site which attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to mislead people and to trick them into clicking on this allow button, supposedly as a part of some human verification process. On the other hand, it's a mistake to click on allow, and if you do that, your browser will be hijacked with multiple advertisements that will keep popping up in the right part of the computer screen. Some of them you can see displayed already. Obviously, these ads are extremely dangerous. They distract your attention a lot, so you should not ever interact with them. And if the allow button was mistakenly clicked, you should urgently undertake the measures and fix your browser. Otherwise, these ads will just keep disturbing you greatly. Access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications. So pay attention to all these websites that are allowed to send notifications. If you find this onevideoonline.me, make sure you remove it from the list. And also don't hesitate to carefully get rid of other junk websites from this list. So slowly but steadily make sure you delete these junk websites from the list. Get rid of them completely. And this is the manual way to actually fix your browser. After this has been successfully done, the problem should be fixed, but I also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin carefully researching your system to detect and delete other threats fully from your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.